Slack is a communication tool for your organization inside of the company. You can consider it as a team communication hub, and it's much better than email, text messages, or any public messengers like WhatsApp, Telegram, Viber, and so forth. Why it is better? So first of all, it's a faster than email. You can collaborate with the people in live, in direct messages back and forth, or in the channel. Second, it's a transparent when you have a one channel, let's say specific project, and you are able, or let's say finance or marketing channel, and multiple people added to this channel. When you talk with somebody in that channel, everybody can see it. It's organized. You can have a thread and respond in that thread specifically about one issue or another. And why it's better than text messages or any public messengers? Because in organization and nobody else can bother you, like your family, your friends, or somebody else when you open your text messages or WhatsApp, and you have, in addition to work, you have million different messages and everybody wants your attention. Slack is dedicated messenger for your organizations. Since we are living in the digital world and there's few companies who still goes to offices, people are remotely distributed. Or even if you work in the office, typically you have some team members who are outside of your organization, like a physical office, and you need quickly communicate with them, and Slack is the best tool for that. So you start using Slack on daily basis when you start working, and when you clock out, you have the Slack open. So there's three things you need to know. Overall, there's workspace, because you might be added to different workspace. Let's say your organization, maybe there's some other workspace, or maybe you work in two different companies, or you part of some kind of mastermind or a training, and they run that through Slack. So second thing you need to know is a channel. There's a bunch of different channels in the Slack, and it's kind of group of people where you discuss specific thing. It can be project channel, department channel, basically something where you want to group conversation to specific people or to specific goal. And important to mention about channels, they can be private and public. Public channels are searchable in the search bar, and anybody from your organization can join any channel, or you can add them. For private channels, you can be only invited. If you created a private channel, nobody can join it unless you invited them, or if somebody has a private channel, you cannot be added by yourself. You need to be invited by that person. And the last thing is messages. When somebody message you one-on-one, those are direct messages. Nobody can see that conversation, only you and that person one-on-one. In my multiple organization, we are required, all of us are required to use Slack on daily basis. And when you start working, you need to have active status, so everybody knows if you're available or not available, like to message and to ask you questions.